Mabuhay! Welcome back again to my channel, Rose Garland. So, samahan niyo uli si Ma'am She Rose sa kanyang content for today. At ito ay ang paggawa ng costume making. So, ang ating gagawing costume ngayon ay ang Igorot headdress. So, alam natin ngayon na buwan ng wika. Kaya, tara, samahan niyo po ako at may isang mamshi na nagpagawa sa akin ng costume. So, for the business na naman ni Ma'am She Rose ito. Kaya guys, kung gusto niyo magpagawa kay Ma'am She Rose ng costume, tawag lang kayo. Kontakin niyo lang si Ma'am She Rose sa kanyang FB. Carry na yun. So, guys, ito at buwan ng wika, kailangan ng headdress ng kanyang anak. Kaya kinontak ako ng aking friend or aking customer. So, ibablog ko po at ibabahagi ko po sa inyo kung paano ko po ito gawin. Para naman magkaroon kayo ng idea sa paggawa ng headdress ng Igorot. Madali lang siya at mura lang ang mga materials na kailangan. So, nandito ka lang sa bahay, kumikita ka pa. Kaya guys, tara at simulan na natin ang paggawa ng Igorot headdress costume ni Ma'am She Rose. So guys, ito yung ating gagamitin sa ating paggawa ng Igorot headdress. So, kailangan lang natin ng rubber. Kailangan din natin ng rickrack. So, ito, rickrack ang tawag dito. 2 yards lang po yung aking binili na rickrack. Kailangan din natin ng glue stick at ng garter. So, ang magdadala sa atin ng headdress ng Igorot ay ang tela ng pang-Igorot at ang feather ng manok. So, ayan. Dalawang klase guys yung feather ng manok. Yung isa yung mahaba at matigas at ito naman yung malambot. So, ayan guys, yung ating material sa ating gagawing headdress costume for today. So, tara na at panuorin nyo ang aking paggawa ng headdress yung ating rubber. Ito. Rubber ay ating susukat ng ruler. So, sa ruler, yung haba niya, depende po ito sa haba ng ulo ng bata. So, susukat natin siya sa head ng bata. So, yan. So, isang ruler ang kanyang haba. So, ayan guys, pag na-pattern na natin yung sukat ng ulo ng bata, ayan, sa rubber, maaari na natin tong gupitin. So, eto na guys, yung ating pinaka-base. So, yan. So, after nun, ay ihahati natin siya. So, ganyan. At ito, lalagyan natin ng mark. And then, sa kabila, yung sukat din, lalagyan ng mark. So, ayan na yung mark. At ito na yung mark. So, next natin, ilalagay natin tong feathers.
Step up in the place. I was born and when I watch me elevate. I was born and when I watch me elevate.
So guys, ito na yung ating pang-igorot. So yan. Pero meron pa siyang kulang at lalagay na natin. After nito, nalagyan natin siya ng feathers. Lalagay na natin yung tela ng pang-igorot.
Watch me elevate. Watch me elevate.
So ayan guys, nailagay na natin yung tela ng ating igorot. Lalagyan na natin siya ngayon ng rick-rack. So ayan. Ayan yung kanyang likod. At ito yung kanyang harap. So, ito yung ating rick-rack. Ayan. At ilalagay natin yan dito sa ating headrest. So, parang ganyan siya.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you can put my fire out.
So guys, ito na yung ating headrest. At para masukat natin, ilalagay natin dito sa ating head. Ayan. So, ang kulang na lang ay lalagyan natin siya ng garter. So, dito, ito na yung ating garter. So, ilalagay na lang natin yung ating garter at pagkatapos, tapos na yung ating headrest ng igorot.
Go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight.
So guys, ito na yung ating headrest ng igorot. So ayan. At affordable, budget lang po to mga mamshi, mga beshi, na kaya nyo rin gawin sa inyong bahay. At kahit na nasa bahay kayo, kumikita pa kayo. At marami kayong matututunan sa akin. Kaya kung bago ka lang dito sa aking channel, please subscribe my channel, Rose Garland, at click mo na rin ang ring bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga videos na i-upload. At Mega love shoutout sa lahat ng aking mga subscriber na patuloy na nanonood ng aking mga videos. At sa Team Walang Atrasan, headed by the Action Man, Ninong, hello and mabuhay! Sa Team Tio Dinosaur and Jaguar, headed by Mom Founder Divine Grace Mercado, hello, hello, and mega love shoutout to all admins and members. Sa Team Jowa Root, headed by Mama Riposa, hello, and mega love shoutout sa inyo po. At sa Team Agila Inang Founder, hello, hello, and mabuhay! So, that's all mga mamshi, mga beshi. At sana may natutunan ka sa aking ibinahaging content for today. Thank you so much. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Mama! God bless!
I'm hanging around, wasting time, hoping that you drop by. And I don't pretend to know what you want. I don't even know where to start, but I'm willing to try. Even if you push me under, it's only gonna make me stronger. It's only gonna feed my hunger. Say the words, say the words. Even if the tide stops turning, even if the world keeps burning, nothing's gonna stop this feeling. Say the words, say the words. Watching the flames burn higher, setting my world on fire. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide, risking it all on you. And I don't pretend to know how you feel. Either you won't or you will, but I'll give it a try. Even if you're too blind to see,